am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from BBL Agency in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, no, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so once you come to work here in Malaysia, don't tell me, don't tell us, ma'am, I have my brother, I have my sister. We
I don't have
wanted to be
any.
transparent in our initial interview, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you have any health issues in your body?
No, no, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
The second time, ma'am,
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
for the new environment and new work experience, ma'am.
New environment. Why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong? That one is new environment.
Because Hong Kong is far, ma'am, and I don't see myself working there, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad. Do you think what is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
My good quality, I can work properly, ma'am, and I have experience before working in Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good day. My name is Maylay Saluna. I am 33 years old. I have two sons. He's 11 years old, and the youngest is 5 years old, ma'am.
Okay.
I have a live-in partner, and I live in Pilinda, Rizal, ma'am.
Aurora.
Yes, po.
Okay, I need to know some fewer details from you first, May. When is your birthday?
My birthday is May 7, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 feet, and my kilo is 48 kilos, ma'am.
What is your religion?
My religion is Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
My educational is first year high school, ma'am.
All right. So, is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is he and what is his occupation?
He's 33 years old, ma'am, and he's working as a welder, ma'am.
All right. So, who will going to look after your children once you come to work here?
My sister, ma'am,
How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
38 years old, ma'am, and she's housewife only.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I only have one sister, ma'am.
All right. What is your rank in your family?
What? I'm sorry,
Are
ma'am.
you the eldest or the youngest?
I'm the youngest, ma'am.
Youngest.
Yes, po.
All right. What about your father and your mother? How old is your mother and how old is your father?
My mother's died, ma'am, when I was in 9 months only,
This
and my
year's?
father was in my sister's house, and he's now 60 years old.
All right. So you mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad. In which country you have your first working experience as a domestic helper?
My work experience is in Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
Oh, Saudi. How many years you worked there?
I worked there in 2 years and 10 months, ma'am.
2 years and 10 months. What year did you started and what year did you end your contract?
I started in June 24 to 2023, and I end contract June 24, 2025, but I extend, ma'am, because
Until?
until to June 24, 2026, ma'am. But 2025, ma'am, I'm sorry. But my madam said if it's okay with me, I extend the contract. And then
Okay.
I go here in the Philippines, April 28, ma'am, 2026.
26, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. Oh, yes, correct. So, what is your job responsibilities inside the house?
My work there was is babysitter, ma'am, and I clean the house, I wash the clothes, and iron, ma'am.
How old is the children that you take care?
I take your baby, ma'am, since birth. Now he's 2 years old.
So, one kid only or one child only you take care.
Three boy, ma'am.
Okay, so how old are those children you take care? One newborn
Um,
and the two, how old?
the oldest, ma'am, is 11 years old, and the second is 8 years old.
Are you the only helper or do you have companion?
I have companion Filipino, same.
All right. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with your employer?
Finish contract, ma'am, and then my madam said that she only needs one, and the other is important because she's looking for the other baby.
Mm.
The baby is have autism, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So working abroad is not that so easy, most especially that you have your working experience in KSA. But I would like to let you know that KSA in Malaysia is quite different. I don't want later that you were going to compare your previous employer to your recently employer. Malaysia got a huge difference, okay? Employers here is
Okay.
very particular when it comes of cleanliness and houses here is very big one. So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
I don't have experience, ma'am, but I'm willing to do
Can you cook?
the basic food, ma'am.
All right, but you are willing to learn.
I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person? It's a yes or no.
I will try, ma'am. I will try po.
Yes or no.
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, okay? Same like what you have signed in KSA. But you cannot simply say you
Okay.
wanted to go back home because you miss your family, you cannot handle your job anymore, there is any uncertain situations happen to your family back in the Philippines. This is a 2 years contract, and once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. This is a strictly no go out policy, and if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Now, our minimum wage here is 2,100 ringgit. But if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,100 up, like 2,400 like that. So, are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. If you don't like our terms and conditions, better don't come here and don't give us problem. You have a lot of choices. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. We wanted to be specific here, okay? So that you won't
Yes,
or you
ma'am.
won't create problem later, right?
Yes, ma'am. I understand, ma'am.
Okay, remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time or to your family. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. But here in Malaysia, we need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you deal with your homesickness once it is attacked you?
When I'm homesick, mom, I'm just fucker think my baby, and that's why I'm go here. I'm working here for my baby, for the future of my baby, mom.
I think that's all for now, May. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you so much and have a
Thank
good
you,
day.
mom. Thank you
Bye.
so much, mom.